these videos that I'm sharing with you are just to guide you in your revision. This is not your sole means of revising for the semester test. Please go open your MindTap textbook. In your MindTap textbook, go to modules 8, 9, 11, and 12 of Excel and do the apply it exercises. So when you click on each of these modules, you see learn it, you see apply it. Click on apply it and do one of those, all right, for each of those modules 8, 9, 11, and 12. Those are the ones where people are asking the most questions and where I'm seeing people are struggling the most, right? You can also do those applied exercises for any of the other modules. Remember, the scope is from module 1 to 12, but those four that I've mentioned tend to cover some of the stuff that's in those other modules, all right? And then also do the mock test, all right? So the mock test is there, and you click up, you go to course content. After you go to course content, you go to extra exercises, and you'll see there's an um, Excel mock test 2, and there's a uh, Microsoft PowerPoint mock test. All right. And then also for PowerPoint, you can do apply it for modules 1, 2, and 3. You go into your MindTap textbook, go to the PowerPoint module 1, you go to apply it, and then you do the exercise that's there. Okay. So those are the ways that you're going to revise. This is just to guide you and help you in your revision with things that you might have questions on. All right. So now, to find the files that you will use in that exercise in the videos, right? There's files that I'm using in the video. You go to this link here, tinyurl.com/siza teaching, right? tinyurl.com Caesar teaching, right? So I'll put this in the description as well, and then you can press enter, and then it will lead you here. You scroll down to your module, which is AIM121, and then you'll see here is where you can find the files, MS Excel. You click on semester test 2 revision file. So if you want the playlist, it's also here, but if you have this video, then it means you have the playlist. So for the files, you click on that, and you'll see that you cannot edit these files. You just download them here. Click on them there to download them. Okay. And then you might want to change your regional settings. You go to start, you search control panel, and you get this control panel. So you either get this view where you click on region, okay, or you have this view where you choose this option here, and you'll get this dialog box. All right. So if you're working on a project and you're seeing that it's got centimeters, but your computer is measuring in inches, you come here, you close all Microsoft products. So Excel is closed, PowerPoint is closed, Word is closed. Then you come to your control panel and you change this. So if you've got inches on your computer and you're trying to get to centimeters, you use English South Africa. If you've got centimeters on your computer and you want to get to inches, you use English United States. So you just come and change that there, all right? There's other settings that will change if it's a test situation, but note that when you change that, it means that you switch from, in your formulas, using commas, you start using semicolons, or vice versa. Or if it's decimal symbols, you stop using 0,1 and you start saying 0.1, or vice versa. So you just have to be careful of that as well. So that's your regional settings. And then in Excel, you might want to add your developer tab if you're working with macros. So developer tab, you right click on any tab, you click on customize the ribbon, and then on the right hand side, this is where your tabs are. You look for developer and you tick developer like that, and you click on OK. So now you have the developer tab. If you want to add in the solver, you go to the developer tab, or if you want to add in the analysis toolpack, you go to the developer tab. You go into add-ins, you click on Excel add-ins. So you could add in the analysis toolpack and the solver, all right? Then click on OK. If you want to add the Power Pivot, you go to COM add-ins, and then you tick Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. You click on OK. And then you see your solver and data analysis are there in the Analyze group of the Data tab, and then the Power Pivot is its own tab there, all right? So those are some of the things that you might want to add into your Excel. So remember, this is not your sole means of studying or preparing for the test. Do the apply it exercises. 1 for module 8, 9, 11, and 12 is a good start. A very, 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 very good start. And then the mock test is also super helpful. So please work through those 2 mock tests, as well as the PowerPoint modules 1, 2, and 3, apply it exercises. All right. So all the best that you're studying and preparing. We'll see you when it's test day.